All right, US President Donald Trump has unleashed an unprecedented tariff onslaught on India, doubling down on his earlier 25% tariff announcement. Trump announced 25% additional tariffs on India, and the reaction from New Delhi was quick and firm. A statement from India's External Affairs Ministry called the fresh tariffs unfair, unjustified and unreasonable. Early in the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he is ready to pay personal price but will not compromise on the well-being of the farmers.
हमारे लिए अपने किसानों का हित सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं। मेरे देश के किसानों के लिए, मेरे देश के मछुआरों के लिए, मेरे देश के पशुपालकों के लिए आज भारत तैयार है।
New Delhi was the first one to get on the table with Washington, but in the middle of negotiations and slew of roundtable discussions, US President Donald Trump announced a self-imposed deadline, putting pressure on New Delhi to strike a deal before the time. Once Trump launched his unilateral tariff tirade against India, New Delhi, in a calibrated response, chose to stand its ground. But what prompted this trade war between world's biggest and fourth largest economy, whose bilateral trade is worth over $190 billion? The talks are stuck on energy imports from Russia and opening up India's agriculture sector to the US. New Delhi treats agriculture sector as a red line when it comes to foreign trade. More than half of India's population draws its livelihood from agriculture-related activities. Indian farmers operate in small farms. Opening up agriculture sector will make it hard for low-income Indian farmers to compete with US agri-giants. India is also not ready to flinch on import of Russian oil. India is now the third largest oil consumer. New Delhi has made it clear it will take all required steps to protect its economic security. New Delhi pointedly mentioned that US is singling out India while still importing goods from Russia itself. Responding to this, Trump said he had no idea about that at all.
India says that the US imports Russian uranium, chemicals, fertilizers, while criticizing their energy imports. Your response to that, sir?
I don't know anything about it. I'd have to check, but we'll get back to you on that.
Well, for now, India is holding its ground. Trump's tariff tirade has failed to intimidate New Delhi. With Indian Prime Minister's statement, the red lines for India-US trade deal is drawn, and now it's time for quiet negotiations behind closed doors. The new rate will come into effect in 21 days from now, setting the date of tariff implementation on India to August 27th. Well, let's now take a look at some of the political reactions coming from India.
It will affect all of us. We have $90 billion of trade with the United States. If all the things will be 50% more expensive, people will think, why buy Indian goods? Our government should understand and answer back.
Trump is trying to put pressure on the country. It is very childish behavior. PM Modi has declared that all decisions will be taken in the interest of farmers, people and the nation.